else for our two Pontiac Trans Am. The car itself is a complete work of art. You have a look at it from a distance, it looks like it's matte black. If you go and look at it very, very closely, I'm not going to spoil the surprise, but you do have to go and look at this car very, very closely indeed. Supercharged and injected big block Chevy in the frame rails between that car, and this is a full tube race car. It's not actually a Pontiac Trans Am with a blower on it, and Vince is going to do his very, very best to scare you all. And these are quite a bit louder as well, so don't forget, kids, if you've never seen one of these before, good idea to plug your ears roughly soon. Now, runs between about 1,800 to 2,000 horsepower in this car. Isn't that a lovely sound? The blown methanol engine in the English sunshine. And Vince is going to do the same thing. Let's see how much time this car will decide. Okay, here we go then, Vince Gibbs for the Nosferatu. Well, that was the first little test turn out for Vince. Obviously, after the problem we had a little bit earlier with Dave Drabham, everybody not going quite as far with the burnouts as maybe they'd like to, but obviously it's better to have the race car on once we started. So, stay tuned for Vince. Let's see how he goes this time.